40 casual ways to ask for permission or favor in English using the word can o sa Tagalog ay pwede. Can. Can we switch seats? Can we switch seats? Pwede ba tayong magpalit ng upuan? Can we play some music? Can we play some music? Pwede ba tayong magpatugtog? Can you help me out? Can you help me out? Pwede mo ba akong tulungan? Can you keep an eye on my bag? Can you keep an eye on my bag? Pwede mo bang bantayan ang bag ko? Can you show me how to do that? Can you show me how to do that? Pwede mo ba akong turuan kung paano gawin yon? Can I bring my dog along? Can I bring my dog along? Pwede ko bang dalhin ang aso ko? Can it wait until next week? Can it wait until next week? Pwede bang sa susunod na linggo na lang? Can I ask what time it is? Can I ask what time it is? Pwede bang magtanong kung anong oras na? Can you just handle it? Can you just handle it? Pwede bang ikaw na lang muna ang bahala? Can we do it another day? Can we do it another day? Pwede bang sa ibang araw na lang? Can we place our order now? Can we place our order now? Pwede na ba kaming umorder? Can I take a break for a bit? Can I take a break for a bit? Pwede ba akong magpahinga saglit? Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? Pwede bang mahingi yung bill? Can I call you now? Can I call you now? Pwede na ba kitang tawagan ngayon? Can you turn on the light? Can you turn on the light? Pwede bang buksan mo ang ilaw? Can we go now? Can we go now? Pwede na ba tayong umalis? Can we just sort this out later? Can we just sort this out later? Pwede bang saka na lang natin ayusin to? Can you take me to the hospital? Can you take me to the hospital? Pwede mo ba akong dalhin sa ospital? Can I ask a quick question? Can I ask a quick question? Pwede bang magtanong? Can you come with me? Can you come with me? Pwede ka bang sumama sa akin? Can I borrow your book for a while? Can I borrow your book for a while? Pwede ko bang mahiram ang libro mo sandali? Can we open the gift now? Can we open the gift now? Pwede na ba nating buksan ang regalo? Can I sit here or is this seat taken? Can I sit here or is this seat taken? Pwede ba akong umupo rito o may nakaupo? Can we chat later today? Can we chat later today? Pwede ba tayong mag-chat mamaya? Can you cook some adobo? Can you cook some adobo? Pwede ka bang magluto ng adobo? Can we just wait here? Can we just wait here? Pwede bang dito na lang tayo maghintay? Can I use your computer for a sec? Can I use your computer for a sec? Pwede ko bang gamitin ang computer mo saglit? Can I open the window? Can I open the window? Pwede ko bang buksan ang bintana? Can we eat now? Can we eat now? Pwede na ba tayong kumain ngayon? Can I have some water? Can I have some water? Pwede bang makahingi ng tubig? Can I borrow some cash? Can I borrow some cash? Pwede bang pautang? Can you wait a bit? Can you wait a bit? Pwede ka bang maghintay ng konti? Can I ask you for a favor? Can I ask you for a favor? Pwede ba akong humingi ng pabor sa'yo? Can we talk to the manager? Can we talk to the manager? Pwede ba naming makausap ang manager? Can you bring some snacks? Can you bring some snacks? Pwede ka bang magdala ng merienda? Can we meet at the cafe? Can we meet at the cafe? Pwede ba tayong magkita sa cafe? Can you call me back later? Can you call me back later? Pwede mo ba akong tawagan ulit mamaya? Can you drive this time? Can you drive this time? Pwede bang ikaw naman ang magmaneho? Can we talk outside instead? Can we talk outside instead? Pwede bang sa labas na lang tayo mag-usap? Can you take us there? Can you take us there? Pwede mo ba kaming ihatid doon?